Hi everybody, today I will show you how to make overtime sheet in Google Sheets. So let's build this from scratch. I've set up the headers across the top row, named employee name, that is the first column, date in the second column, is start time in the third, end time in the fourth, regular hours in the fifth, overtime hours in the sixth, and overtime pay in the seventh. So make sure you name your headers something like this. Now, before entering any times, let's make sure that the times columns are formatted correctly. Select column C and D. Now, click Format, choose Numbers, and choose Time. This makes sure Google Sheets treat those values as actual times. Now let's fill in some data. I'll add some employee names like John, Ron, and James. Now, I'll enter a date and there is start and end times. For this example, let's say employees is started at 9 a.m. So I'll enter something like 09:00 and hit enter. Now I'll enter the value of this employee that he finished his work and left at 7 p.m. So I'll enter it 19:0, hit enter. This will automatically convert it and mark it as 7 p.m. Now I'll enter this as 19:49 and hit enter. For this employee, I'll enter 8:20:13 and hit enter. Now, in the regular hours column, click on the first cell and type equal to min double bracket open D2 minus C2 because D2 is our end time and C2 is our starting time. Now, I'll close this bracket, enter a multiply sign, type in 24:8. Now, I'll close this bracket and hit enter. Now, this calculates the total hours worked but caps it at 8. Since everything above 8 is overtime, hit enter and format that cell as number so it shows correctly. Now, in the overtime hours, type equal to max bracket open 3 times D2 minus C2 bracket close. Now, put in a multiply sign, enter 24, close this bracket, put in minus 8,0. So here 8 is our regular work hours and 24 is the 24-hour format. D2 and C2 is our start time and end time. Now close the bracket once again and hit enter. Now this calculates how many hours went over the standard 8-hour day. If there's no overtime, it will just show 0. Now we'll select this cell, place our cursor at the bottom right blue dot and drag it across these rows and this will calculate the overtime for all these employees. Now, for overtime pay, click on the first cell in the column and multiply the overtime hours by whatever the overtime rate is. So something like equal to F2, that is the overtime cell for this. Now, we'll put in a multiply sign and multiply the overtime hours by whatever the overtime rate is. For example, if the overtime rate is 18, I'll enter 18 and hit enter. Now, use the fill bar handle to do this for all these employees. Now, at the very bottom, you can easily add the total by entering equal to sum G2 to G4 and the total overtime pay across all employees will be shown here. So, that's how you make an overtime sheet in Google Sheets. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.